Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharath Chandra. Today's video, experts' opinion, these 10 stocks may appreciate. Yesterday, the RBI did not change the repo rate, which is the interest rate charged by RBI to lend money to banks. However, it cut the cash reserve ratio by 0.5%, which was quite expected. This is expected to infuse rupees 1.16 lakh crores into the banking system. Cash reserve ratio is a percentage of funds they need to maintain in cash. The lower the percentage, the more money banks will have to lend to people and hence more fund flow in the economy. The RBI is expected to cut the repo rate in its February 2025 meeting. Investors and economists are hopeful of it. Analysts feel that the CRR reduction is a welcome move, especially for sectors such as infrastructure and housing. We are presenting the article which came in moneycontrol.com, which says RBI MPC meeting, experts are bullish on these top 10 rate sensitive stocks after central bank cuts CRR. These particular stocks are recommended by experts with a 3 to 4 week perspective. So once you watch this video, do technical analysis and decide whether they are worth buying for short term. Number 1, Bajaj Finance, current price 6,850, target price 7,295, stop loss is 6,590, upside potential is 6%, and the analyst who has recommended this is Ashish Kayal of Wave Strategy Advisors. Stock number 2, Bank of Maharashtra, current price 57.8, target price 67.8, stop loss 55.5, upside potential 17%. Sudeep Shah, who is the research head at SBI Securities, has recommended this. Stock number 3, ICICI Bank, current price 1,329, target price 1,410 to 1,440, stop loss 1,280, upside potential 8%, and Sudeep Shah has recommended this of SBI Securities. Stock number 4, Macrotech Developers, current price 1,371, target is 1,450 to 1,480, stop loss 1,310, upside potential 8%, analyst recommended Anshul Jain. HDFC Bank is stock number 5, current price 1,865, target price 1,950 to 2,200, stop loss 1,800, upside potential 18%, and the analyst is Vignan Sawant of GEPL Capital. Stock number 6, SBI, current price 864, target price 950, stop loss 812, upside potential 10%. Analyst once again is Vignan Sawant of GEPL Capital. Stock number 7, Federal Bank, current price 213, target price 240, stop loss 200, upside potential 13%, and Amol Atawale of Kotak Securities has recommended this. Stock number 8, Axis Bank, current price 1,185, target price 1,250, stop loss 1,130, upside potential 5%. Again, Amol Atawale has recommended this. Stock number 9, Oberoi Realty, current price 2,143, target price 2,290, stop loss 2,060, upside potential 7%, recommended by Amol Atawale. Stock number 10, Escorts Kuboto, current price 3,525, target price 3,700, stop loss 3,330, upside potential around 5%, and all these stocks which I have spoken about are with a perspective of 3 to 4 weeks only as per these analysts. So what you need to do is do technical analysis on the weekend, check the particular graph, and if you can see that there's a buy indication, or if you think that this is worth taking the risk for short term, then you can go ahead and buy some of the stocks as per your analysis. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section which of these companies has highest foreign promoter stake. A. HUL, B. Colgate Palmolive, C. Bata, D. Hyundai Motors India. You type the answer as per your guess, and then if you want, you can go to any of the websites like Screener and then check how much is the promoter stake, especially the foreign promoters, because all these companies have foreign promoters. Thank you for watching this video. Wishing you all the best. Bye bye.